What's up guys, it's your boy Perdell and welcome to my channel. Today guys, we're going to be talking about a hair commercial that I shot and I'm going to be breaking down this particular scene. If you look over to my right, you will see an Aputure 300 with a light dome. The light dome is about 3 feet wide and I have a 4x4 silk. You know, with the light dome, it softens the light up. And I added the silk to soften it up even more. So when it hit the subject, it was a nice soft image. And then to my left, you can't see it on the screen, it's the same exact setup. Behind, you will see there's a quasar. I believe it's set to purple. And what that quasar is doing is hitting the waterfall, making the waterfall look purplish. And it's creating a nice little glow in the background as she does what she's doing on camera. Also, you will see a bounce board on the floor, and what that is doing is under her chin is to lighten it up just a little. It was a little dark, so I decided to put it there to lighten this area right here of her neck so it's not as dark. I'm going to play just like 10 seconds of this scene just because this commercial is not even out yet. So I just want to show y'all just a little clip of the lighting, the finished product of the lighting. I told you guys this video was going to be very short. Like I said, I'm going to try to come out at least once or twice a week doing different videos of behind the scenes or just anything. I might do a podcast, guys, with other filmmakers, talking with other cinematographers and directors, and even some of my actors' friends that are on some different TV shows that y'all might be interested in. Leave a comment below, guys. All right, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, guys, peace.